P-L-E, apple means सेव. O-R-A-N-G-E, orange means संतरा. M-A-N-G-O, mango means आम. P-A-P-A-Y-A, papaya means पपीता. B-A-N-A-N-A, banana means केला. L-I-C-H-I, lychee means lychee. C-O-C-O-N-U-T, coconut means नारियल. B-L-A-C-K-B-E-R-R-Y, blackberry means जामुन. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E, pomegranate means अनार. G-R-A-P-E-S, grapes means अंगूर.